Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so here I am at Dollar Tree. Okay, they're just bringing out the fairy garden stuff. I like to use the ones that have certain themes. They have certain themes. Like this one has the palm tree and the hula, and then this one has the boat. It's just so pretty. So here's the different kinds they have here. So you just kind of pick the ones or the scene that you like. This is so pretty, that one. Then you have the gnomes there. And then you have bigger pieces right here, which I never saw before. This one says believe and dream and home. Okay, this is the little ice cream and the mushrooms. So let's go over here. So they have the gift bags here, the Westcott scissors, and here is where they have the roses. These are so nice. So you can get for $3. Don't you just love this? It's a nice size rabbit. It's the flock bunny. And then look at their drinks. Isn't this adorable, guys? I love these peep cups. I don't know if I'm gonna get one. So that's $5, and it's pink and yellow. And look at these. I'm loving these peeps. So these are $5. Okay, and look at the colors. So these come from the plus section, guys. They move them up here because they're seasonal, so they're $3 an egg. I like that. Here's the gold egg, and here's some teddy bears, and here are the bigger eggs, guys. And then you have some decor. Look at this. These are Cheetos, the Flaming Hot. We love those. The Kool-Aid, Oscar Mayer, Doritos. All right, so we have some more stuffed animals here. And then look at the tier trays. Guys, are $5. So you have the beige one in the back, the green and the blue. This is the blue one right here. And then it has the little bunny ears. Those are $5. And here's the grass, guys. These cost so much more at Hobby Lobby, this faux table runner. This is a great buy. Then you have some arrangements here, and this is an Easter garland, and here's an Easter garland as well, and this is an Easter garland as well. So here's some table runners. It says runner. Okay, here are the flowers in white and red. Really nice, guys. And here's the all hearts table runner for $3. All right, so these are beautiful too. I like these wood ones. See the wood ones back there? I like those. Here's a throw blanket, and here are bath fizzers, and here's some tea lights. Okay, so here's some stuffed animals here. Here is the heart garland in silver and gold, and this is the red. Here's the white and red. So they have the rose string lights. Let's see. Oh, here's another tier tray. Okay, so you have the white. I just saw the red. I only have one hand, guys, so I'm trying to show you. So they have the red. So these are also $5. It's a great buy. And then here are the snack cups. So nice. Here is a red truck. And there is a tabletop decor. Here is the camper, and I am loving this ribbon. So this is $3, and let's see, 4 yards. I like that. And here is the scalp massager. Here's some more ribbon, guys. So this one is what is that? I think I'm reading 15 yards for $3. That is a great buy. Look at that decor piece. And this one that says, kiss me. Here are the candles. Aren't they beautiful, guys? I love them. Okay, so this is what we have here. Here's the leaner size. Okay, this will probably fly away where I live because they're light. And then on this side over here, you have the candy. So this is the candy bracelets, the tiger pops. All right. So I'm just kind of glancing through. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, this is the kings. This is the king of hearts. Okay, so have an amazing day, guys. God bless you.